What financially disciplined people do every day? I'm going to tell you the truth, and most people won't like it. Financial discipline has nothing to do with how much money you make. Some high earners are completely broke, while some average earners quietly build wealth. The real difference isn't luck, intelligence, or opportunity. It's what they do every single day. Not once. Not when they feel motivated. Every day. If you're still struggling financially, it's not because the system hates you, it's because your daily habits are working against you. Here's the truth, starting from the habit most people ignore to the one that changes everything. 5. They think in years, not days. Financially disciplined people don't make decisions based on how they feel today. They think long-term. Before they spend, they pause and ask questions most people never ask. Will this matter in 5 years? Is this building my future or distracting me from it? Is this comfort today costing me freedom tomorrow? They understand something critical. Short-term pleasure creates long-term pressure. Long-term thinking creates long-term peace. They don't chase fast money. They don't panic during setbacks. They play the long game. And the reason most people never get ahead isn't because they make bad decisions. It's because they make short-term decisions repeatedly. If you want control over money, you must first control your time horizon. And this mindset alone already puts them ahead of most people. But this is just the beginning. 4. They pay themselves first. Financially disciplined people do not treat saving as an afterthought. Before bills, before entertainment, before lifestyle upgrades. They automatically move money into savings, investments, or ownership the moment income comes in. They don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month, because they already know the truth. There is never anything left. So instead of hoping to save, they force saving through systems. They decide their future first, then live on the remainder. Most people fund everyone else's dreams before their own. Disciplined people reverse that order. And once you understand this habit, you start to see why some people always find money while others never do. 3. They live below their means, even when they don't have to. This is the part that destroys egos. Financially disciplined people could spend more, but they choose not to. They understand that lifestyle inflation is the quiet killer of wealth. Every raise becomes a bigger payment. Every upgrade becomes a new obligation. They don't confuse looking rich with being free. They value flexibility more than appearances. They would rather have options than approval. They would rather have peace than pressure. Most people raise their lifestyle every time income increases. Disciplined people raise their margin, and this one choice determines whether money works for you or controls you. 2. They delay gratification without negotiation. Financially disciplined people don't rely on willpower. They rely on standards. They don't ask, can I afford this? They ask, is this aligned with the future I want? They pause. They let emotions pass. They don't let boredom, stress, or comparison decide their spending. Most financial damage happens in emotional moments. Impulse purchases, quick decisions, short-lived excitement. Disciplined people win because they're willing to wait. They understand that saying no today is often the reason they can say yes later. And if you can master this habit, money starts to feel lighter, not heavier. 1. They track their money without emotion. This is the foundation. Everything else depends on this. Financially disciplined people always know where their money's going, not obsessively, not fearfully, intentionally. They check their numbers regularly, not to shame themselves, but to stay in control. Money ignored becomes money wasted. Money tracked becomes money managed. Most people avoid looking at their finances because it makes them uncomfortable. Disciplined people look anyway, because avoidance is expensive. You cannot control what you refuse to face. And the moment you start tracking honestly, your financial life begins to change. The truth about financial discipline. Financial discipline isn't restriction, it's self-respect. It's choosing your future self over your current mood. It's understanding that small decisions, repeated daily, compound into massive results. Wealth isn't built in dramatic moments. It's built quietly, consistently, every single day. If this helped you see money differently, subscribe to the channel. This channel is about truth, not hype. Real habits, real strategy, real financial growth. Subscribe, because what you learn here can change how you live tomorrow.